Good evening, class. Now, what is Lagoa and iCloud computing, which is, as you can guess by now, the subject of today's class, or at least the presentation. So, Lagoa is the world's first web-based platform for photoreal 3D visualization and rendering. By rendering, I mean it's the process of generating an image from 2D or 3D models by means of computer programs. So, Lagoa, fast and powerful, it enables artists, designers, engineers, architects, even advertisers to collaborate on producing spectacular 3D content. Lagoa was founded in 2012 by Thiago Costa, Arnaud Zinke, and Dov Amihad to make 3D digital creation available to everyone, everywhere. And they are now based in Montreal and also in Germany, Bonn more precisely, which is where their research bureau is. So, how did this happen? Well, Thiago realized that delivering innovations within the desktop software industry was an inherently difficult process that required users to run heavy hardware and lengthy software installations, all of which, as you can guess, is pretty darn expensive and time-consuming. So, Thiago envisioned Lagoa as a next-generation solution that would enable users to create with ease by having up-to-date access to the latest innovations of technology. Now, here's some financial facts about Lagoa. So, by April 2013, it raised $1.6 million in seed funding. And seed funding is from big backers like 500 Startups, Atlas Ventures, Real Ventures, RH Ventures, all kinds of ventures, such as also angels from the popular startup website AngelList. December 2013, same year, raised another $5.3 million in funding just from one venture, Atlas Ventures. Then, Valentine's Day of 2014 raised $1.6 million in funding from other big ventures companies like Real Ventures, Atlas Ventures, Rural Canada Venture, all kind of venture. And by the end, last year, November 2014, it was bought by Autodesk for the modest sum of $60 million. That's right, quite a big gamer this company has become. And now I'll pass it on to a nice launch video from Lagoa's website, and afterwards you'll have Sam talking to you about how Lagoa uses the internet browser.
Hi, good evening. My name is Sam. I just want to explain how the workflow of the Lagoa. Now you see the video, how it works, and now I explain to you the Lagoa's basic tools. This is not significantly different from what you'll find in typical rendering program. You import your 3D asset, set up the scene, and render it into the high resolution image. The major difference is the hardware requirement. We have no hardware in here. This is the locking for the Lagoa. Lagoa runs inside a browser, so you don't need to install the program once you acquired your credentials. You can log into your private workspace online. The supported browsers are Google Chrome, which is recommended for everyone, the Mozilla Firefox, and the Safari. This process is simple and easy. Just open the browser, sign up for Lagoa Plan account. That's it. Simple and easy, and you can work it anywhere for free. And now, Simon will present to you how the cloud computing works with Lagoa.
Bonsoir, I'm Simon. Just a little refresh for you guys. Cloud computing is defined as a type of computing that relies on sharing computing resources rather than having local servers or personal device to handle applications. It's a type of internet-based computing where different services are delivered through the internet. Lagoa works as a platform as a service where cloud providers offers services that include the hardware, operating system, development tools that consumers can use to build their own application. It also works as a service since Lagoa offers a storage option on the cloud. Lagoa Interactive Cloud Rendering means you access the power of the cloud and see all the changes instantly. Lagoa Cloud always uses the fastest machine available in the market to optimize your performance. Using Lagoa, you utilize the power of the cloud to do the interactive rendering for you. This means your laptop becomes as powerful as a desktop machine. Local rendering uses the CPUs of your machine, laptop, or desktop to do the rendering. So you will not only be restricted by the limitation of your machine. With Lagoa's cloud rendering doing all the heavy lifting for you, you can continue to use your application with all your computer performance.
Hello guys, I'm going to introduce some advantages and limitations about Lagoa. First of all, Lagoa configurators use industry standard languages and formats for creation and distribution. The entire configuration can be just one HTML page, which contains the 3D models and images, which makes it easily transportable for 3D party softwares. Secondly, Lagoa is a collaborative tool, because you can share your scenes with your team and the client with a simple URL. You and your client will always be synchronized with the latest version and be able to collaborate simultaneously without having to send files to get their feedback. Lagoa has also strong ability of secure sharing and permissions management. You can instantly share the most up-to-date versions of your scenes with your teammates. Grant teammates permission to edit or view only your assets. Last but not the least, Lagoa has a strong performance and scalability. Lagoa is capable of handling milling and trillion triangles objects and 1,000 native parts in one scene. Even huge textures. You can render the true instances with no overheat, as well as control what you want to display in the viewport and its level of detail. Every tool has its limitation, so what about Lagoa? As the first to use Lagoa, you have to log in, which means you won't be able to use Lagoa without internet connection. That's probably the most important problem for Lagoa. To improve this, I think Lagoa might use the Dropbox principle. Users can do their modification offline and synchronize again when the connection gets re-established.
And there you have it. That was a presentation on Lagoa and iCloud computing, which we hope has gone to show that Lagoa, with its technical leapfrog in the domain of visual as industry, has become a key and dominant player for any company hoping to make it smart in the 3D animation.